Dom Jr. official channel presents. Oh, happy 4th of July, everybody. The Firework Show! A Dom Jr. 4th of July special, with including me, Handy the Dom Jr. main character. Oh, get everybody, let's go! Hi, everybody. Hi, Handy. Hi, everybody. Oh boy, the Firework Show is about to start soon. Isn't this exciting? Oh yeah, it sure is, I guess. Me too. Yeah. What are all the toys doing here? What are you all doing here? For the Fireworks Show, of course. Yeah, including us too. Yeah, that's better. Way to go. Yeah. Oh my god, guys, hold up. I think the show's about to start soon. I can see it. Yeah, it is starting to get a bit dark here, isn't it, guys? It sure is. Where's the princess at? Let's see if the princess is at her castle watching the fireworks too. Oh boy, I cannot wait. Is it gonna start soon? Yes, but oh, guys, I think we have like 10 more seconds before the fireworks show starts. Yay! I'm so excited. Yay! Okay, here we go, guys. It's gonna start soon, everybody. Here we go. Countdown. We start at 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, let's try that again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Look at that, guys. The fireworks. Here we go. Wow, look at all these fireworks, guys. Happy Independence Day from Dom Jr. It's a dream come true. It sure is. Yeah, cookies. Yeah. Woo. Wowza. Can't you guys believe this, everybody? I know, this is the best day of my life. For sure this time. Ooh. Now that's what I call a happy new year. I should have agreed more. I couldn't have picked a better show than this. Even everybody's watching it. Even everybody from there is watching it. Even everybody from here. In the bookshelves, everybody's watching it. And except for that clock machine. Halloween Jack is watching it. It's not Halloween, isn't it? No, it's the 4th of July. So, yeah. Look at that. There's more, guys. There's more. Now that's what I call a great show. Oh look, it's not over yet. There's still like a lot more that's going on right there. Hey, oh my god. Ooh, I'll use my shining bright to wheel the lights. Now this is better than I thought it would be. Isn't that right, pets? Yeah. Now this is the best day of my life. There's still more! Isn't it right, everybody? Hey, okay. I'll get my camera. I'll take the pictures with it. Woo! This is amazing. What are you doing? Taking pictures with it. Oh yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. Taking pictures. Like this one. Yeah. Oh, there's another one. Whoa! Okay. Alright, I think I'm done taking pictures. I'm done. Bye-bye, camera. I guess I'm done with my light. Let me go ahead and trim it off. It's still happening. It's still happening, everybody. Whoa. Even Dr. Seuss characters are watching. Even anyone on the bookshelf is watching it too. It's a dream come true. I already said that. Mario already said that. Who said that already? Maria said that. Is that a heart sign? Ooh, I saw a heart. H-E-A-R-T. Yay! Woohoo! Yeah! Bravo! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Yay! Alright guys, that concludes the fireworks show for today. That was amazing! Yeah, I know, guys. It was, exactly. I was gonna take a picture of it. Let me take it. Okay, hold on. How about I take a picture of you guys? How about I take a picture of you guys? Say cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E. Let me see if you guys. Look at you guys. Look at all my friends. Wow, that's really special. Yeah. Yeah, I think we're done. Thank you so much for watching this video, everybody. See you next time. Oh, and one more thing. Happy Independence Day from Dom Jr. the channel. See you soon. Bye. Bye, everybody. Bye. Hi. Bye. Okay, one more thing. Whoa! What happened? No, nothing happened. Sorry.